वेलकम मित्रांनो, तुमचे पुन्हा एकदा आपल्या स्टडी हेल्प या यूट्यूब चॅनेलवर स्वागत आहे. आज आपण सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी पार्ट 1 या विषयाच्या क्वेश्चन 1 चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हा पाहणार आहोत. तत्पूर्वी जर तुम्ही आपला चॅनल सबस्क्राईब केला नसेल तर लगेच करा आणि लाईक करायला विसरू नका. पाहूया पहिला प्रश्न. तत्पूर्वी इथं तुम्हाला नाव लिहावं लागेल, त्यानंतर शाळेचं नाव लिहावं लागेल. पुढील पहिला प्रश्न बघूया. डॅश डॅश इज नेसेसरी टू चेंज द स्पीड ॲज वेल ॲज द डिरेक्शन ऑफ मोशन ऑफ ॲन ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑप्शन इज फोर्स, इनर्शिया, मोमेंटम, मोशन. Answer is force. Next, the orbit of a planet revolving around a star is dash dash. Option is circular, linear, toward the focal point, elliptical. Answer is elliptical. The square of its period of revolution around the sun is directly proportional to the dash dash of the mean distance of a planet from the sun. Option is square, square root, cube, cube root. Answer is cube. The gravitational force between two bodies is directly proportional to the product of the masses of those bodies and is dash dash of the distance between them. Option is inversely proportional to the square, directly proportional to the square, inversely proportional to the cube, inversely proportional to the square root. Answer is inversely proportional to the square. The value of universal gravitational constant G is SI unit is dash dash. Option is 6.673 into 10 minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Second option 6.673 into 10 raised to 11 Newton meter per kg. 9.673 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter per kg. 9.673 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Answer is first 6.673 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. The dash dash force is much weaker than other forces in nature. Option is gravitational, electromagnetic, nuclear force, intermolecular force. Answer is gravitational force. The value of gravitational acceleration G is dash dash. Option is highest at the poles, highest at the equator, same everywhere on the surface of the earth, lowest at the poles. Answer is highest at the poles. The value of gravitational acceleration is dash dash at the equator. Option is 9.78 meter per second square, 9.832 meter per second square, 9.8 meter per second square, 6.67 meter per second square. Answer is 9.78 meter per second square. The free fall of an object is possible only in dash dash. Option is air, vacuum, on the surface of earth, none of these. Answer is vacuum. The weight of any object on the moon is nearly dash dash of the weight of the earth. Option is 1/6, 1/8, 1/2, 2/6. And answer is 1/6. A person weighs 60 Newton on earth has weight on the moon will be dash dash. Option is 360 Newton, 60 Newton, 6 Newton, 10 Newton. Answer is 10 Newton. Dobereiner laid down the dash dash rule. Option is periodic, modern periodic, tractavecid, octavecid. Answer is tractavecid. Newland's law of octaves is applicable up to dash dash. Option is oxygen, calcium, cobalt, potassium. Answer is calcium. X and Y are two elements having similar properties which obey Newland's law of octaves. The minimum and maximum number of elements in between X and Y respectively are dash dash. Option is 6 and 8, 7 and 15, 8 and 14, 6 and 13. And answer is B, that is 7 and 15. At the time of Mendeleev's, dash dash elements were known. Option is 56, 65, 63, 118. And answer is 63. In Mendeleev's periodic table, icosilicon was later named as dash dash. Option is scandium, gallium, germanium, thorium. And answer is germanium. In modern periodic table, the number of columns and periods are respectively dash dash and dash dash. Option is 16, 7, 6, 16, 18, 7, 18, 6. And answer is 18, 7. Is the outermost shell for elements of period 2? Option is K, L, M, N. And answer is L. The groups 1 and 2 constitute the dash dash block. Option is S, P, D, F. And answer is S. Which pair of atomic numbers represent elements in the same group? Option is 11, 19, 6, 12, 4, 16, 8, 17. And answer is 11, 19. Which among the following element would lose an electron easily? Option is Mg, Na, Al, Cl. And answer is Na. Which among the following is the largest element? Option is K, Na, Mg, Ca. and answer is K. Arrange the following elements in order of their decreasing metallic characters: Na, Si, Cl, Mg, Al. And option is Cl greater than Si greater than Al greater than magnesium greater than Na. Second option, Na greater than Mg greater than Al greater than Si greater than Cl. Third, Na greater than Al greater than Mg greater than Cl greater than Si. Fourth, Al greater than Na greater than Si greater than Ca greater than Mg. And answer is Na greater than Mg greater than aluminum greater than silicon greater than calcium. Which one of the following does not increase while moving down the group of the modern periodic table? Option is atomic radius, metallic character, valency, number of shell. And answer is valency. On moving from left to right in a periodic table, the size of the atom dash dash. Option is increases, decreases first and then increases, does not change. And answer is decreases. Which of the following statement about the modern periodic table is correct? Option is 18 horizontal rows are known as period, 7 vertical columns are known as period, 18 vertical columns are known as groups, 7 horizontal rows are known as periods. And answer is 18 vertical columns are known as groups. The D block elements are called as dash dash elements. Option is transition, metalloid, normal, inner transition. And answer is transition. The size of an atom is indicated by its dash dash. Option is atomic number, radius, number of shells, atomic mass. And answer is radius. Dash dash is the distance between the nucleus of the atom and its outermost shell. Option is atomic radius, atomic diameter, atomic size, atomic mass. And answer is atomic size. Atomic radius is expressed in the unit dash dash. Option is nanometer, picometers, micrometers, millimeters. And answer is picometers. The tendency of an element to form cation in the dash dash characters of the element. Option is non-metallic, basic, metallic, acidic. And answer is metallic. Dash dash is in liquid form in the halogen family. Option is chlorine, bromine, iodine. And answer is bromine. While going from top to bottom in a group, the atomic radius dash dash. Option is increases, decreases, remains same, no change occurs. And answer is increases. The tendency of an element to form anion is the dash dash characters of the element. Option is non-metallic, basic, metallic, acidic. And answer is non-metallic. The elements from the zero group are called, option is alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, halogens, noble gases. And answer is noble gases. Write a chemical reaction in brief by using chemical formulae is called as dash dash. Option is chemical change, chemical symbol, chemical equation, chemical reaction. Answer is chemical equation. When the positive charge on an ion increases or the negative charges on them decreases, it is called as dash dash. Option is reduction, corrosion, oxidation, decomposition, and answer is oxidation. The chemical reaction in which two or more products are formed from a single reactant is called dash dash reaction. Option is combination, displacement, double displacement, decomposition. And answer is decomposition. In the chemical equation, the dash are written on the left hand side. Option is products, reactants, element, catalyst. And answer is reactant. Aqueous solution on ZnSO4 is added into the aqueous solution of BaCl2. This is the example of dash dash reactions. And option is displacement, double displacement, redox, reduction. And answer is double displacement. The unit of electrical power is dash dash. Option is volt, watt, joule, ampere. And answer is watt. The live and the natural wires have potential difference of dash dash. Option is 110 volt, 202 volt, 201 volt, 220 volts. Answer is 220 volts. In an electric bulb, coil of dash dash metal is used. Option is copper, tungsten, aluminium, iron. Answer is tungsten. The electricity bill specifies the uses in dash dash. Option is kilowatt, joule, volt, unit. And answer is unit. The frequency of AC is dash dash hertz. 20 hertz, 50 hertz, 25 hertz, 75 hertz. These are the options, and answer is 50 hertz. These days, when current in the circuit suddenly increases, dash dash switches are used. Option is MCA, MCC, MCD, MCB. Answer is MCB. A coil of an alloy dash dash is used in electric heater cooker as a resistor. Option is stainless steel, nichrome, copper, bronze. And answer is nichrome. The right hand thumb rule is also called dash dash rules. Option is Newton's law of motion, Newland's law of octave, Mendeleev's periodic law, Maxwell corkscrew. Answer is Maxwell corkscrew. Dash dash is used for electrical measurement. Option is thermometer, galvanometer, voltmeter, electric meter. And answer is galvanometer. Which of the following scientists invented the rule of electromagnetic induction? And option is Newton, Kepler, Mendeleev, Michael Faraday. And answer is मायकल फॅरेडे. ठीक आहे मित्रांनो, आपले प्रश्न सर्व सोडवून झालेले आहेत. यानंतर आपण सबमिट या बटनवर क्लिक करूया. गुणसंख्या पाहूया. मित्रांनो, मिळालेले गुणही तुम्ही पाहू शकता आणि आपलं कोणतं चुकलेलं बरोबर आलेलं आहे तेही तुम्ही इथं पाहू शकता. हा व्हिडिओ पाहून झाल्यानंतर डिस्क्रिप्शनमध्ये पहा, तुम्हाला एक लिंक मिळेल. त्या लिंकवर क्लिक करून तुम्ही हा सराव संच पुन्हा सोडवू शकता. कितीही वेळा सराव संच सोडवा आणि आपला सराव करा. धन्यवाद मित्रांनो.